Health Talk brought to you by Rapides Regional Medical Center. After a year of construction, the first phase of Rapides Regional Medical Center's emergency department expansion is open. Patients and visitors to the emergency department now have a new entrance, lobby, and hallway that leads to the main hospital.
Phase one, and what you see today is really replacement of the waiting room, the patient waiting room. You'll see a registration and welcome desk behind you and registration areas over there. 3 exam rooms that we're adding in this phase of the project, a triage area. And so what that will allow us to do is phase the project in such a way that we don't stop patient care, we don't stop operations while we are building phase 2.
The second phase of construction is now underway and expected to be completed in the third quarter of 2016. This is the 4th time the ER at Rapides Regional Medical Center has undergone an extensive expansion in the past 30 years.
I started here 29 years ago and I was a clerk and a tech, and we were in a little small old section of the hospital. I believe we had 8 or 10 beds. From there we grew to our next ER, which had 14 beds. So when we moved to this tower, we got a lot more square footage and we're able to rework some of the minor care, but we had the same number of beds. So now with this last project, of course, we're going to double our size.
When all 3 phases of the emergency department expansion are completed, the ED will have added 16,370 square feet and more than doubled bed capacity to 51 beds.
Once we finish the whole entire project and we have all 51 beds, we should be able to have room for those a little bit sicker patients that would be much more comfortable on a stretcher. As well, it will allow us to have those less acute patients to be in and out more quickly because they won't be in the mix with all of those patients, and we should be able to get those patients out more quickly as well and efficiently.
For more information, visit rapidesregional.com.